How to stop video autoplay in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to turn off or disable Instagram video autoplay. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, update and launch your Instagram applications on your device. Ensure to sign in and log into your account. Select the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. And then you will land on the settings and activity page of Instagram, where you have to scroll down and locate the option for data users and media quality, which is under your app and media. Select it and open the cellular data settings page. And here make sure to turn on the button for data saver. This will help us to save the data and videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. That is how we stop video autoplay on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.